So welcome back. This is the Hickory School Independent Research Team Prostate Metastasis Group. We're going to go over culturing and splitting cells today. So what we're going to start off with is if you have a plate of cells, in our case we had RAT2 fibroblasts, and as you can see, the cells are kind of crowding the plate. And you can tell that these cells are overcrowding the plate and that they need to be moved from the plate. And what we do is we take half of the cells from this plate, put them on another plate, and that way from one plate you end up with two plates and the cells can just propagate. So what you want to look for is you can see the cells kind of overcrowded. You'll also notice the media will turn kind of like an orange color, and that's how you know that the cells are ready for splitting. So what you want to do first is gather your materials. We have over here prepared RPMI media. Depending on the cell culture you use, you may have DMEM media or some other kind of cell culture media, but make sure that it has the FBS, the antibiotic, antimycotic, and the non-essential amino acids in the media already. You will need trypsin. Trypsin is the enzyme that detaches the cell from the plate. And we don't have a bottle, but this we're going to pretend is PBS, or phosphate buffered saline. And all three of these things shouldn't be stored in a fridge. And so what you want to do is take all of these reagents, put them in a hot water bath at 37 degrees Celsius, wait for them to warm up a little bit, and then when they're ready, take them out. Once you've taken them out, you ethanol the caps, you want to wipe the caps, and then we're going to take them into our hood. So we're going to take it into our hood here. You will need a pipette. P1000 should be good enough. If you have a sterilological pipette, that's good too. Make sure you ethanol the pipette before you place it in the hood. You will need a box of tips. And make sure you also have a waste beaker or a waste bag for hazardous materials and that sort of thing. So the first thing you want to do is, we got the cells. We're going to pretend that we have a plate of cells here, and it has media sitting on top of it. So you're going to have the cells, which are going to affix themselves to the bottom of the plate, and the media, which is going to be sitting on top of the cells. And so the first step is to remove the media from the plate. So what you're going to do is, we're going to pretend that this was our plate and that there was media on top of it. You want to tilt the plate this way so that the media, you want to just tilt it just a little bit so that the media kind of aggregates around the edge. But you don't want the media to spill. Then you're going to take your pipette, maybe tilt it, you're just going to go right up to the edge. This was the edge of the plate. You go right up to the edge, suck off some media, dispose of it in the waste beaker, and then keep doing that until all the media is gone.